What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing? How you doing? What's up, you guys? Skinny Boy Randy. Hey, how you doing today? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. How you doing today? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. What's up, you guys? Hey, Skinny Boy Randy here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. You guys, I love having you here. Thank you so much for being here. You are the best. If you're new, click like and subscribe, y'all. Go ahead, I'll wait. I took a nap, okay? I know you subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Hi. I hope you're blessed. I hope you're safe. I hope your family is safe. If nobody told you they love you today, I do. Skinny Boy Randy loves you, okay? From the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. And also, head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome. That's the name of the Facebook group over there as well. You can go over there. If I can't answer a question here, I guarantee you're going to get a great answer over there. Okay? Okay. Head on over there and check it out, y'all. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you so much for being here. I love y'all. How you doing? How are you doing in your zone? I'm in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. Look. It looks like it's summertime, right? It looks like I'm back in California. Hey, Valerie, Kimball, Lauren Kimball, Ryan, congratulations, sister. All y'all. Love y'all. Shout out to California. Yes. Hey. Yes, you guys. So today, I just want to make a quick video because it's kind of hot out here and we're not trying to fall out. And no, I ain't going to fall out today. Okay? I ain't going to fall out. I know y'all waiting on me to fall. I ain't going to fall out. Whoo. Did I fall out? I don't know. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Yes, you guys. Today, I'm just going to make a quick video. I'm not going to hold you long. Talking about hand pollinating your tomatoes and peppers. Tap, tap, tap. Tomatoes and peppers. You understand what I mean when I say tap, tap, tap. Tomatoes and peppers. Yes, you guys, you might be thinking, why are you doing that? This is not summertime. This is November. I told you guys I'm going to be showing you everything I'm doing in November and what you should be doing in your garden because the weather has not been normal. This is not normal weather, y'all. You see I'm out here sweating in the middle of November? This is not normal. Okay, okay. So get your soul right if your soul ain't right. All right. That's all I'm saying. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Yes, we're going to be talking about hand pollinating tomatoes and peppers, you guys, because the weather has been so generous in Florida-ish and California-ish here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia, that things are still growing. Things are still growing. I know in your area you have things still growing like, wow, my peppers, my tomatoes are still coming. They're still coming. Yes, you guys. Things are still growing. So I'm just going to show you how to pollinate your tomatoes and peppers. And people are like, okay, well, they're not going to be here long. They can be here long if you're growing them indoors. And this is part of our indoor November gardening. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. It's hot. And I'm going to get into a shaded area. Okay. So just follow me on over real quick. Oh, yeah. To show you how the weather has been acting. You remember we planted garlic in our container? Can you guys see this already? Right there. The garlic done came up. I don't want that garlic to come up. And see, gardening 101. I don't want this garlic to come up yet. I want it to go through a cold phase. And see, sometimes your weather will say you're going to have a cold day and you don't. I could wrap this up in a garbage bag and put it somewhere very, very cold. If I had like a big freezer or something that I could keep it in and make it think it's in winter, I would do that. But if they come up like this, you guys, don't fret. When it gets cold, they'll die out and they'll grow back. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. But I just wanted to show you how my weather is doing. Look at the sunlight over the garden, you guys. Things are just steady growing. So I just want to show you how you can multiply your tomatoes and your peppers during this weather. If yours is growing like mine, you want to know, hey, get it wise getting. Wise giving. Well, if you still have flowers on your peppers, keep coming. And see, y'all, I have peppers keep coming. And if you don't know how to get all that you can get out of your pepper plants, this is all you do. You see the flower there? Can I get you any closer? On your tomatoes and your peppers, T-A-P. The word tap, tomato, and pepper. I just made that up. I swear to God, I just made it up. Tap tomatoes and peppers. If somebody else said it, my bad, but I just made it up. Tap your plants, y'all. Your tomatoes and peppers, all you're doing is tapping. You're getting up against that flower, and you just tap. You just take your fingers, tap it. I give it a little gentle squeeze because you're trying to get that pollen that's in there to circulate around the inside of the flower. I would just take this one and just tap, tap, tap. Okay? That's just one way you can do your peppers. And tomatoes are the exact same way. I don't have a tomato flower to show you, but they're the exact same way. They are self-pollinators, so all you have to do is tap. Now, some people like to use a brush. You can take a paintbrush, and you can just go in there and twist it around. That's how I do. I just go in, I push the paintbrush in, and I twist. Just like that. And look at all these baby peppers coming. I've pollinated all of the, well, some of these are flowers, but yeah, just take it. And if you double pollinate, if you want to use the brush to go inside the flower and just twist around a little bit, you can do that. Some people say the electric toothbrush works great. I've never used the electric toothbrush because if I have an electric toothbrush, it's not going in my garden, it's going in my mouth, okay? Because I ain't got no money to be spending on no electric toothbrush on this plant when I can like that. You can also tap the stem, y'all. That's the best way to pollinate your whole plant at one time. Tap the whole big stem if you have a big plant, okay? Like this one is huge. Like we have green peppers. I just harvested all of the green peppers and everything, but I left the ones that are still growing. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. But yeah, and then, but what would you would do with your electric toothbrush is just hold it up there, and I don't use this toothbrush, you guys. I would just hold it up against, not the inside, I would just pull mine on the outside around the leaves and hold it down around, because I don't want the pollen to just fall out. I want it to circulate around that. But that's how you pollinate your peppers and your tomatoes. You gently just tap, 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 you guys. You can either use a toothbrush, you can use a regular brush. And yes, you might know this from previous videos I've made, but if you're new to my channel, hey, now you know how to do it next year and the year after that, and you'll never forget. Okay, here's another pollination technique. These eggplant, my eggplant tree, you guys, you see? These eggplants, now, I just kept getting tree. You see how big this is? Let me adjust the camera. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You know I show you everything. You guys remember when I planted this in this raised bed? Starting your raised bed. You guys were here when I planted it? Yep. See? It's taller than me. Yep. And this is the eggplant. And there are eggplants everywhere. It's like a tree. It's like a tree, y'all. Thank God. God, it's good. Thank you for the eggplant. But yes, with your eggplant, what you would do is, let me get you right on in here with us. And she's so big, I can actually lean it over so you can see it. It's like a purple lavender flower here. Y'all see that? Beautiful flower. It's like lavender and it's so green and yellow inside. I think I already pollinated this one because I see the green growing, which is going to turn into an eggplant. But yeah, you see how beautiful that is? Mother Nature is awesome. But with these, what I do is I want this yellow to make it down here to this little stamen, where it needs to be. Put it that way. And just brush. Normally I would just hold it down and brush towards that stem. Then again, I take my brush and twist and dab. Twist and dab. I don't know if I just broke that one. But, oh yeah. As you can see, I've been pollinating these. And see, this one is a bigger green. It's going to be an eggplant in a minute. But yeah, that's all you do. Oh, here's a good one to show you. Right there. Just take it and dab. Oh no, that's the same one. But yeah, you guys get the point. I'm trying to see if there's any more flowers. I've already pollinated everything, so don't have that many. Here's another one. Again, if you're still getting your eggplants, don't let them stop. Get as many as you can get while the weather is like it is, especially here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. Get that yellow down to this tip down here, okay? And I don't want to call it the wrong name, y'all, so I'm not using proper language. We ain't never went to eggplant pollination school. We ain't never been there. But we know how to grow an eggplant. Okay. And then I'm just going to dab and twist, dab and twist, dab and twist. And that's how you would do your eggplant. And you do your peppers with your tap technique. Tap, tap, tap. Brush, brush, brush. Toothbrush, toothbrush. Or however you want to do it. But yeah, you guys, wherever you see a flower in your garden right now, because flowers are, look, my bell peppers, banana peppers, flowers. See that? More flowers. And I'm just gently tapping, and this is how I do it. And they just keep coming and coming and coming. So I'm just going to keep harvesting and harvesting and harvesting all November. I told you I'm going to show you everything. So if you've seen a video on this before from me, hey, it's not a part of the November gardening series. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. You are the best. Remember, grow what you're going to eat, you guys. Live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. You are absolutely the best. Don't forget, click like and subscribe.